Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be taking a closer look at two popular robot vacuums from iRobot, the iRobot Roomba 692 and the iRobot Roomba Combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive right in and see which one comes out on top. The iRobot Roomba 692 is a sleek and premium robot vacuum that is a great way to begin cleaning your home smarter. With the iRobot Home app or your voice assistant, you can schedule it to clean up daily dirt, dust, and debris. It features a 3-stage cleaning system, dual multi-surface brushes, and an edge-sweeping brush to take care of hard-to-reach corners and edges. The Roomba 692 has adaptive navigation and advanced sensors to navigate under and around furniture without getting stuck. It also has dirt detect sensors to clean dirtier areas more thoroughly, and offers personalized schedules. The auto-adjust cleaning head adapts its height for effective cleaning on any surface. Lastly, the Roomba 692 automatically recharges itself and has a runtime of 90 minutes. The iRobot Roomba Combo is a versatile robot vacuum designed for both wet and dry floor cleaning. With a simple switch of the bin, it can convert from an all-floor vacuum to a vacuum and mop. It features a powerful 4-stage cleaning system with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types and avoid getting tangled with pet hair. The Roomba Combo can simultaneously vacuum and mop hard floors, making it a comprehensive cleaning solution. It has Imprint Smart Map technology for precise room-specific cleaning and understands more voice commands than any other 2-in-1 robot vacuum. The Roomba Combo also has Dirt Detect technology, is compatible with the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, and can be controlled through the iRobot Home app. Let's take a look at some Amazon reviews to get a better understanding of what customers think about these products. And there you have it, a detailed comparison between the iRobot Roomba 692 and the iRobot Roomba Combo. Both models have their unique features and advantages, so it ultimately depends on your specific needs and budget. We hope this video has helped you in making a smart buying decision. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, remember to buy smart.